Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina. So today I just wanted to do a walkthrough with you on how to upload a video or a short so that you can share your creativity with us. So let's get started. I'm going to flip you around here so that you can see my iPad screen as I walk us through it. Alright, so from my iPad screen, I'm just going to click on our YouTube icon here. Alright, now you see when YouTube opens up, it opens you up to your news feed or your feed screen or your main feed screen. Alright, this is the screen that shows everything you have interest in. And this is where all your videos populate from all to whatever your interest is. A lot of your people you follow, you will see their new videos on your main feed page. And there's our beautiful Rochelle. Now this populates with people that you're not subscribed to as well as people you are subscribed to. Alright. As you can see. Then you have recent posts that populate on here too. Alright, so you can upload your video from this screen by pressing this here, which is our plus sign. Or you can go to your page, which is what I usually do. Alright, and this is my page here. And if you didn't watch the video yesterday, go ahead and watch that. It'll show you how to get to your main channel. Alright, because remember you have a forescreen and your main channel. Alright, and then your main channel you will see your videos. Alright, and these are videos back from Mother's Day and Valentine's Day that have populated here for me. Alright, so what we want to do is go right here. Alright, and we're going to click that plus sign. Alright, it's asking me, do I want to upload a video, a live, or a post? Well, we want to upload a video, so we're going to select video. Alright, and then all of the videos that I have recorded pop up. On this, the videos I've recorded on this device will pop up. So we're just going to select this one. Hi everybody, it's Katrina. So if you've made it this far, we've uploaded. Okay. So we've selected this video. We're going to go up here to the corner and hit next. Alright, now it is asking me to add a description and a name. So we're going to title this video How To Alright, now you've put your title in there, and I like to do hashtags because hashtags help your video get out there. Alright, and as you can see, when I put the hashtag sign there, the hashtags that I usually use load there. And we're going to do another hashtag. We're just going to scroll up. I want that to go out to the basket making community because that is the community that I am in. Alright. I usually select viral video. Not that it'll go viral, but it would be nice. And then I'm just scrolling down here to see what else is on my list. So my list ends right here with Christmas gift. However, I want this to be a how-to video too. So I'm going to put how to. And as you can see, how to pops up. So we're just going to select that. Alright. Okay. And that's all I'm going to put in there for now. Then you're going to go down and select add description. Now this is where you can add all your hashtags and so on and so forth. But just be careful with YouTube, because they want you to add hashtags that are specific, are close to specific to your niche or what it is you do. Alright, so for a how-to video on how to upload videos to YouTube, I don't want to put something like Christmas in July in there. Now, there are videos out there that tell you hashtags in your description don't matter because they're not read by the algorithm. I don't know if that's true or not, but most of the time I usually put the hashtags in there. But I always put my email address. Alright, I always put my email address in my description, and I usually put my business link in there as well. But for the sake of the video, we're just going to leave it at the email address. Alright, now for this page here, once you've added your description, just go and press the back arrow. Your description will still be there. As you can see, there's my email address in my description. Alright, for visibility, which is right here, you want this to be public so that everyone can see your video. And when you press the visibility, it's going to pop up this page that says set visibility. Alright, so we're going to set this to public. Alright, you can set yours as an instant premiere, meaning that if this is your first video, then set it as an instant premiere so that it broadcasts out to everyone that you are posting a video. Alright, if you have membership on your channel, then you can post your video to members only. That means that only people who have a subscription to your membership can watch it. Everyone else will just have to be curious. Alright, you can post your video as unlisted. If you have music or something in the background of your music and you're not sure whether it's going to get copywritten or not, post it as unlisted and let it go through YouTube's processing so that you will know. And then you have time, you can edit that video and everything before it is actually put out to the public, and avoid copyright strikes. Alright, or if it's a video that you don't want anyone to see, you can put it as private, and only the people that you choose to view it can view it. Okay, now just a little tip for those of you running contests here on YouTube. If you have a specific message for someone that won your contest and you need to get information out to them, here's a good way to do that. List your video as private and only allow them to view it. Alright, and that's one way to ensure that your prizes and everything are getting to the right person, because in that video you can give them information on how to reach you without broadcasting it all over YouTube. Alright, so we're going to set this video to public, which is already selected. Now another tip here, when you do your lives and set your lives up, and even if you set your live up to public, when you end that live, for some reason the YouTube algorithm or YouTube settings automatically push your live to private. Alright, so as soon as your live is done, on your live screen, you're going to select to edit it. And for me, it's usually over on this side. But you select edit and then just switch it back to public and then save it. And then your chats and everything will come in the next day. Alright, so we have ours set to public. Now, audience. All right, and you'll notice here that I say, no, it's not made for kids. So let me give you just a little bit of tidbit on this right here. All right, when you set a video as made for kids, if you say made for kids, YouTube will not allow comments on those videos, and they are very strict on the audience reach for those videos. All right, so I have seen some of the basket makers set this as made for kids because the basket or whatever it is they're presenting was made for a child. Okay, so just to clear that up, that is not what YouTube is asking you. Okay, keep in mind that when you make baskets and everything, it's usually not the child that's going to buy the basket. It is usually an adult. So YouTube is not asking you if you made the basket for a child. They're asking you, is this video made to target children? And what you want is to target the adults that will be buying these baskets for the children, or viewing these baskets for the children, or overseeing these baskets for the children. So you should select, even if your basket is a child's basket, you should be selecting, no, it's not made for kids, because you're not trying to solicit and sell to children. Okay, and that is what YouTube looks at. So if you are wondering why some of your videos don't have comments on there, go back and look and see, did you set that video as made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids? All right, all of my videos are set for no, it's not made for kids, because we are basket makers and business owners, and I don't target kids as basket makers and business owners. I do make children's baskets, but I make them for their parents to buy for them. So make sure you just keep that in mind when you are setting this particular setting here that says audience. Okay. Now, if it's a child's video and then you want the kids to see the video, then go ahead and set it as made for kids, but just understand that no one's going to be able to comment on your videos. And in some cases, they can't even share them. All right. Now, location. When you set up your YouTube account, YouTube already has your location. They know where you are. They know by your IP. I'm sorry, y'all. They know by your IP address where you are. All right. So you do not have to set that up, but you can. So when you select location, when I do set this up, I just put in United States. And as you can see, it's the first thing that pops up. All right, and there it is right there. All right, if you have a playlist, you can add it to your playlist. And as you can see, I have several. I have lives, shopping and business tips and more, gift baskets and gift ideas, and tutorials for all occasions, word of mouth, growth tips, gift baskets and gift basket and gift hauls, and then my paper and resin crafts. All right, so for this particular video, we're going to put this video in our gift basket and gift idea and tutorials for all occasions. So I'm just going to select that. All right, and that's it. We clear that off the screen. Now, this right here says allow video and audio remixing, and I just leave that the way it is. You can select no on there if you want to. When you select it, it just opens up this screen, and it says shorts remix. Let others create shorts using content from this video. All right, so you can allow video and audio remixing, or you can say only allow audio remixing. In other words, they can only use the audio from your video, or you can say don't allow remixing. So that means that they can use nothing from your video. Now, I have seen some videos on YouTube that say that if you don't allow audio remixing, then your video won't be shared. There won't be a share button for your video. I do not know that that's true because I have never tried it. I don't care if they audio allow. I do allow the audio and video remixing. So this is why, one of the reasons why it's important to get that thumbnail with you and your product. You know, so if it's a basket that you've created, go ahead and get your thumbnail with it so that we see you and know that's yours. And that's a lot of times how I do that. However, I've never had a problem with this particular function. And then down here, it's going to ask you if you want, it's going to say comments. If you select that, it's just going to ask you, do you want your comments on or do you want your comments off? Now, if you select comment moderation, it's going to ask you, do you want basic? And you just click on that. You want none, don't hold any comments. Basic, hold potentially inappropriate comments. And strict, hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comments. All right, I always have mine set to basic, to hold potentially inappropriate comments, because I like a clean channel, so that's why I just leave it on basic. You can put yours on none if you want to, however you want to set it up. All right, so now we have set up everything we need to upload this video. So we're going to upload it. All right, and you see right here it says uploading your video. So I just selected see video, and there you see our video is uploading. How to upload a video in YouTube. All right, and it's 4% processing, 5%. Now, you all know that sometimes it takes quite some time to upload a video. But as you can see, we are now at 100% processed, and it showing that it posted 3 seconds ago. And as you can see, because of the length of the video, it automatically posted as a short. All right, now if you select it. Hi everybody, it's Katrina. So if you've made it this far, we've uploaded a video and we've managed to be successful at it. So please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope that you found this video helpful so that you can share your creativity journey with us, because we want to support you and we want to see you. Thank you for tuning in to the Crafty Corner. Be blessed, but most importantly, y'all, be a blessing. Bye-bye.